Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. Can you tell me what market this is? Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. Can you tell me what market this is? Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. Can you tell me what market this is? See, when you truly begin to just study price charts, you can't tell them apart. You can't tell the time frame. You can't tell what market it is. You can't tell whether it's Forex. You can't tell whether it's futures. You can't tell whether it's binary. But the beautiful thing that you can tell when you learn price action trading, you can tell that the market cycle happens in every market, and that's our edge. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So listen, I'm not gonna beat around the bush with you today. If you want to start to make money in the markets, you will learn price action trading. Okay, it's as simple as that. I am trying to put you on the fast track. All right, the fast track. I took the slow road. I took the, you talking about a detour, okay? I was on the detour road using it, trying to figure out every indicator under the sun, jumping from strategy to strategy, doing breakout strategies, doing pivot point strategies. I'm trying to tell you that's the detour road, putting 10 to 15 indicators on my chart. That was all detours, man. Price action trading is the fast lane. When I finally found price action, I don't know if I cried. I cried when I found Fibonacci retracement zones, but price action, yeah, both of those. When I found fibs and then when I found price action, both of them can bring tears to your eyes after struggling for years, okay? But price action trading, as you saw in the intro, it happens everywhere. It doesn't matter the market. When I first found price action, the very first thing they said is that, listen, price action trading works in every market. Right. Now, it doesn't work exactly the same in every market because every market is different. You know, when you're dealing with buying contracts, that's different than, exchanging currencies in the Forex, or doing time-based trades in binary. Right. So you have to adjust to each market. But what you will see in every market, which is what I tried to highlight in the intro today, is that every market moves the same, right? You're going to find the market cycle in every market, because always remember the market can only do three things. Okay. It can only trend up, trend down, or range. All right. Now I have to admit that's kind of an oversimplification, but if you back out and look, it's a macro, right? Okay. That's a macro example of how the markets move. Then when you zoom in, you'll start to see that the market moves in twos. You'll start to see that the market, when it's trending, it moves like a stair step. Okay. When it's ranging, you got the 21 EMA on there, it's going to look like a roller coaster. You fade the top, fade the bottom. Okay. So you have to learn price action. Okay. But at the end of the day, the market moves in some very predictable patterns every day. It moves in a certain way. All right. And in my opinion, the definition of price action is your ability to read the price chart. And when you can read a price chart, to me, that's when you're truly using price action trading. All right. So you only need one indicator, the 21 EMA. You saw in every example, all I had on the chart was a 21 EMA. And I was able to see the trend. I was able to see the trend break, and you can clearly see the retest to new highs that it made in three different markets. Now, the first chart was binary options. The second one was the Forex. The third was futures. Okay. So just so you know, that's what the intro was: binary options, Forex, and futures. I mean, what more proof do you want? The market cycle was happening in all three markets. Okay. Markets just move this way. I mean, this is why price action is king, because you're learning a strategy that goes with the natural movements of the markets. It's the natural way markets move. So learn price action. Okay. I'm not saying you have to throw away anything else you're doing, but you want to get your hands on a price action book, a price action manual, a price action course, something price action. Okay. You want to get your hands on something that has to do with price action, because price action strategies, they're just so easy. Okay. I mean, and I don't mean easy in the way that you're going to start winning tomorrow. I mean, the premise of it is easy. You know what I'm saying? How hard is it to spot? Okay. Every time you make another higher low, we're trending up, right? If you draw a trend line and get 2 touches off that trend line and we go up, you got a confirmed trend. That's not hard stuff, okay? So once you have that trend, you know you got a trend. And then once you get a trend break, which is 2 or 3 candles that close through that trend line, clean, now you got a trend break, right? Then once you get back above the 21 EMA, you know you're in a retest. Now you start looking for trades. That's not hard, okay? That's pretty simple. That is pretty simple. And that's how easy trading can be when you learn price action trading. And that's just one setup, right? But if you just focus on finding a trend up, trend break, retest, rule of 2, if you only did that, you could become profitable because you're going with trend, right? You're following a pattern that happens naturally. And don't even let me get into the fact that when that happens, you're really taking a second entry long. Okay. I'm not even going to go there. I'm not even going to go there, which is one of the most powerful setups you can take in trading. Okay. So if you came to this video, you were on the fence about price action trading, or you wanted to know about price action trading, or you had heard about it, maybe didn't know exactly what it is, I'm here to tell you price action trading is where it's at, and it's the strategy that you want to use. Okay. So this video was going to be pretty short today. I just wanted to, people have been asking me about price action, and I just had to show some simple proof that, hey, price action works in any market. So if you want to trade futures, it will work. If you want to trade Forex, it will work. If you want to trade binary options, it will work. All right. Price action trading is the only strategy you need to become profitable in these markets. All right. So that's going to wrap it up for me today. It's a real short lesson. I just wanted to show you that, hey, price action works. And for staying this long, I will give you a trade example today from, let me see, what market. Do I want to show a Forex? Do I want to show a binary? Do I want to show which one should I show? Price action, baby. All right, let's do futures. I'm on a futures run right now. And so I'm going to show you a futures setup today. Price action trade. It was a second entry long with trend. The trend is your friend, right? Some of these things do hold some weight, right? Trade with trend, take price action entries with trend, and you will be a happy camper. All right. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. So let's get into this trade example, and I'm going to catch you next time. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Later. Hey guys, JD here. So see, we have a nice trend up going here. And so we're looking for a push down first entry, push down second entry long. The market is about to open.
Order submitted.
So we'll see if this triggers. Making the second leg down. We're looking for a hammer up. Right there it is. All right, we're in. We got the push down first entry, push down second entry long. Just looking for a 2-point scalp and hopefully a 10-point runner. you need to learn more price action trading, check out this video right here.